Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 2nd of September 2019 and we're producing this video at approximately 1900 hours British Summer Time. And we're producing a quick update video on what is happening which could influence gold and silver prices. There are so many things happening at the moment which could have a bearing on gold and silver prices. It's truly difficult to keep up and make sure that you, our subscribers, are informed. We predicted over the weekend that gold and silver were likely to fall back a little on technical grounds early on in the week, though we did add that silver may have a 20 to 30 cents rise still to go before that happens. Well, at the time of writing, gold is up $9 at $15.29, though it has marginally been below the opening during the day. And silver is up some 9 cents at $18.46. Now, we are aware that the US equity markets are closed due to Labor Day holiday in the United States. However, we have to report that US equity futures have fallen as China and the US are struggling to arrange a meeting this month to discuss tariffs and trade. Futures on the S&P 500 fell 0.7% to 2,903, while futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 199 points, or 0.8%, to 26,207. Part of the reason for this is that Washington rejected Beijing's request to delay the 15% tariffs on $112 billion worth of Chinese goods which were imposed on Sunday, as were retaliatory Chinese tariffs on US products like crude oil imports. Economists from UBS say the trade war is impacting the global economy, and in a note to clients they stated, quote, "Despite headlines that go back and forth, two facts have become more and more clear over time. First, the trend is towards escalation, not de-escalation. Second, the cost of the uncertainty accumulates as time goes on without resolution, weighing on both the domestic and global economies." Unquote. Now, the UK has witnessed some exciting activity too today, in that it is now believed that Boris Johnson, having guaranteed under his leadership that the UK would definitely come out of the EU by the 31st of October, it is just possible that due to Labour Party opposition, backed by other parties, a vote of no confidence in the government will go ahead, or as we reported earlier today in our video entitled UK General Election to be called this week, Sterling Falls, we put a link in the description box below, a general election may indeed be called later this week. And our assessment is that this will occur on Wednesday. We shall, of course, have to wait and see if this happens. But this is what our internal sources told us even before the Cabinet met at 5 p.m. British Summer Time. This news, however, has weakened sterling against the US dollar, which itself has risen to an index of 99. Still awaiting that dollar crash, pumpers. Sorry, had to get that one in. Do apologise. With sterling now trading against the dollar at 1.2072, down 0.75%. Gold, of course, has therefore risen in sterling terms at a higher rate than the dollar, with gold currently up £15 at 1,267, and silver up 16 pence at £15.30. We did, of course, forecast higher prices until this Brexit situation is resolved, although there may be some fallbacks as some good news occurs, but hold on to your hats for the moment. Argentina is also suffering major problems with the collapse of the peso, and the IMF promising to support it. And again, we produced a video on this very subject this morning entitled Argentina Currency Crisis, Lessons Learned, Insufficient Gold Holdings. And once again, we've placed a link in the description box below. There is so much happening, we shall do our best to keep you informed. And producing 3 videos in a day is no easy task at our age. Where's the afternoon nap allowance? Anyway, keep your eyes posted and watch these markets closely. As advised in our weekend update, there is a fair amount of economic data being announced this week. And not forgetting the very important jobs report on Friday. So watch out for those and please stay tuned and watch out for our videos, especially this week. Thank you for listening. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.